Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a thumbnail in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna go to create a design and search for a thumbnail. Let's say I'm gonna create a thumbnail for YouTube. So I'm gonna click on YouTube thumbnail. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to this editor. So you're gonna click on templates from the sidebar and you'll be able to see all of these templates. So let's say we're gonna go with this one over here. And you can completely customize it according to your own choice. Now, let's say we want something related to money. So I'm gonna fix the text over here. And then relating to money, I'm gonna add an icon. To add an icon, you're gonna click on elements over here and search for any specific thing you want. For example, I'm gonna search for, let's say, money. I'm going to type that down and click on graphics, and you'll be able to see numerous graphics of the same word that you want. For example, let's go with this one, and once you select that, you're going to position it on your page, and let's position it over here. Now, you can also change the picture as well. If you wish to remove this person's picture, you can simply click on delete or backspace, and then you can go to elements and search for either man or woman. Let's go with woman. Press enter and then you're going to click on photos and you can select a picture of any woman you want. Once you do so, you're going to click on background remover at the top. The background will be removed and you can adjust the picture as you want. You can also similarly change the background. Simply click on background and you can change the color of the background you want, or you can also upload any new image to the background if you want to do so. So that's basically how you can make a thumbnail in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.